If you want to change the DPI settings on Redmi A7 Pro, then we have two ways that allow you to do so. You can open settings on your phone, then we're gonna scroll down in here and we want to go to additional settings. Then we can choose accessibility. In here we can switch to the vision category, and then here we have the display size. In here we can adjust the DPI by moving left and right on this slider, and if you choose the display size you can tap on this check in the upper right corner to save it. Another way to adjust the DPI is by using developer options, and this allows you to be a little bit more precise. So in settings we're gonna go to about phone, then you want to keep tapping on the OS version until you need to enter your screen lock password. And once you do so, you will see a message that you are now a developer. We're gonna go back to settings, scroll down and choose additional settings again. This time at the bottom of additional settings we can find developer options. Now in here in developer options we need to actually keep scrolling down until we find the option that is called smallest width. The smaller the number is, the bigger everything is going to be on our screen. And there is a certain limit. So I believe the limit is 320, but I'm gonna type 300 just in case. And we're gonna press OK. And then everything should be a little bit bigger on our screen, as you can see. And yeah, the limit is 320. Also, this means that if I provide a higher value, then the screen is going to be a little bit smaller, or elements on the screen. So let's say I'm gonna use 550, and we're gonna press OK. And then everything is going to be much smaller, as you can see now. And of course you want to be really careful with these values, because if you provide like a really high value over here, like a really big number, then you might have trouble with using the phone. And this is why we need to be careful. The 360 value is the standard option, but in case you want to switch back to one of these standard options that we have available, you can of course just go back to accessibility settings, then go to vision, choose display size, and then you can adjust to any of these sizes, save it, and then you can just switch back to the standard one. So let's go back to display size and set it back to standard. There we go. And this should allow you to reset the DPI setting. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.